In step 2 of exercise number 5, the following actions have to be implemented to define the iRough, iRest, and iFinish operations to complete the machining of the main pocket. Add a new iMachining operation. In the SolidCAM Manager, right-click the operations header and choose 2D iMachining from the Add Milling Operations submenu. The iMachining operation dialog box is displayed. The default iRough is used for technology. On the geometry page, click the New button to define the machining geometry for the main pocket. For this operation, the geometry is defined as a closed pocket with island. The first chain to select is the closed pocket, and the second is the internal chain on island contour. In the SOLIDWORKS graphics area, pick on the bottom edge of the pocket contour as shown. Select Auto Constant Z in the Chain section of the Geometry Edit dialog box to close the chain. When the confirmation message OK to accept is displayed, click the Yes button to accept the selection. Then, pick on the bottom edge of the island contour as shown. Select Auto Constant Z to close the chain, and then click Yes to confirm the chain selection. The geometry is defined. Click OK to confirm the geometry selection and exit the Geometry Edit dialog box. Switch to the Tool page and click the Select button to display the Choosing Tool for Operation dialog box. In the Part Tool table, select Tool number 1, the 9.5mm end mill. Switch to the iData tab. This tool has a 35-degree helical angle and is matched to achieve good ACPs when roughing the main pocket with iMachining 2D. Click the Select button to choose the tool for the operation and exit the Part Tool table. Switch to the Levels page. To define the milling levels, first click the Upper Level button. In the SOLIDWORKS graphics area, select the top face of the target model as shown, and then click OK to confirm the selection. Next, click the Pocket Depth button and select the lower face of the main pocket to define the machining depth. Click OK to confirm the selection and display the iMachining operation dialog box. Switch to the Technology Wizard page to view the cutting conditions. The wizard automatically calculated one step down to achieve the total depth with an ACP value of 1.9. Because there is a 20% tolerance on any ACP over 1 and to the nearest whole number, the step-down row is painted green for good stability. On the Technology page, the step-down and cutting angles generated by the wizard are shown. By default, a 0.24mm allowance will be left on the walls. On the Link page, the helical entry into the pocket will be performed at a ramping angle of 4.8 degrees. Name the operation iRough Main Pocket. Click the Save and Calculate button to add the iRough operation to the cam tree and calculate the iMachining toolpath. Click the Simulate button to display the Simulation Control Panel. Using the default HostCAD simulation mode, click the Play button to show the wireframe toolpath on the model. The tool performs a helical entry into the pocket, followed by a moat to separate the island from the remaining material, where a morphing spiral toolpath can then be formed. In iMachining, moats are cut around islands, whenever a morphing spiral or trochoidal-like toolpath encounters an island. This unique feature makes it possible to start a new morphing spiral by allowing the tool free passage around the island, separating it from the remaining areas that still need removal. Channels and moats are covered in greater detail in exercise number 7. Close the Simulation Control Panel with the Exit button to display the iMachining operation dialog box.